As a pioneer in the beauty and health industry, Merican spans multiple sectors including beauty, health, medical care, and sports. It has a modern production base in Guangzhou. Today, follow my camera to explore Merican together. Merican was founded in 2008. After 17 years of dedicated efforts, its scale has continuously expanded, and now it has developed into a national high-tech and specialized new enterprise integrating research and development, production, and service. And their current office is located in this modern building. As you can see, these industry owners and hundreds of patents on the wall witness their significant journey. Behind each technical certificate lies the wisdom and hard work of the R&D team through the intellectual coalitions of dozens of senior engineers. Products such as tanning machines, whitening cabins, and health cabins have been meticulously crafted with their strong R&D, design, and production capabilities. Their photoelectric equipment has become highly sought-after products in the domestic and international health and beauty markets. The core of optoelectronic products is light source. The LED light source developed by the Light Energy Research Center and the German team is produced here. From the accurate detection and reliability test of the spectrum to the strict control of packaging process, and then to the assembly and commissioning of the overall light source. These exquisite lamp beads are the heart of our products, providing strong support for the energy output of the device. In their hardware processing workshop, there are large laser cutting machine, CNC punch machine, and other automatic equipments. These automatic equipments, to ensure the accuracy and stability of the processed parts, can efficiently produce all kinds of customized or standard parts. There are also the latest modern large intelligent blister equipments, whether the shape, size, or thickness of the products can be precisely controlled. Every production process is important. All the production workshops here are managed according to the 7S standard. The production environment is clean and orderly, which not only ensures the quality of products but also improves the production efficiency. This is their lay-down beds assembly line. This whole row of machines can carry out multiple processes simultaneously. According to the assembly progress and actual demand of products, they can flexibly shuttle between different assembly tasks to improve the speed. As for their vertical unit assembly line, noted that all their tanning tubes are imported from Germany tanning light source, which are certified by authorities. The assembled finished products will first undergo a series of quality inspections, such as appearance inspection, performance test, and safety assessment in the quality inspection area. Especially in the light source detection, the radiation intensity, light source durability, stability, and other indicators are measured for many times, layer upon layer check to meet the high standard requirements before delivery. Merican will also be tailored to the characteristics of different products and transport distance, close-fitting packaging design to ensure intact during transportation. After a series of strict quality checks, these devices from here, across thousands of mountains and rivers, safely reach every customer's hands. I believe that in the future, they will continue to innovate, bring better quality, more intelligent beauty and health products,